Hello, today I will be showing you this PBS website that will help you better understand our book, To Kill a Mockingbird. So since we still haven't read the book, I thought it would be useful for everyone to do a little bit of background info about the setting and the conflicts to better understand the story. So, what I want you to do is pick out 3 videos that you found most important or most exciting and write down a summary of each one and then bring those summaries to class. You don't have to write the summaries in an essay format. Bulletproof is just fine. Just make sure you bring them to class. So what I need you to do is go to PBS Learning Media, this page right here. If you click it on Google, it should be the first one that pops up. From here, you click Subjects, go to English Language Arts, click Literature. Just waiting for the page to load. Oh, here we are.